Hey everybody, Josh here, and today we're talking about cabin air filters. Now, if your vehicle is plagued by musty smells, foggy windows, loud fans, or excessive dust, it could be time for a replacement GM OE or AC Delco Gold Cabin Air Filter from GM Genuine Parts and AC Delco.
On this 2018 GMC Terrain and many other GM models, the process will look a lot like this and will be simpler than it might seem. Our first step here will be to remove the instrument panel compartment door, also known as a glove box. If your vehicle is equipped with passenger compartment air filter housing cover screws like these here, remove them. Now, open the passenger compartment air filter door and remove the old cabin air filter inside, which is simple. Install the new cabin air filter where you remove the old one and close the passenger compartment air filter door. If you removed any passenger compartment air filter cover screws, reinstall and tighten them while saying passenger compartment air filter cover screws 3 times fast. Then replace the instrument panel compartment door and pat yourself on the back.
Your new cabin air filter is working to maintain the performance of your HVAC system while helping to keep the air inside your vehicle fresh.